What is going on, everybody? We are at CES checking out the Afeela One from Sony Honda Mobility. Now, at CES, we have some big announcement from Sony about this, especially for you consumers who are interested in this vehicle. But before we dive deep into all the information, if you're new to the channel and enjoy staying up to date with the latest tech news, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and hit that like button as well. All right, let's get back into this. So at CES this year, Sony Honda Mobility announced that the car will be available for pre-order starting this month. And for those residents that are in California will be able to be the first ones to be able to pre-order this. There are two separate models that we talk about real quick. So you have your base or your origin model, which starts at $89,900. That estimated delivery date right now is 2027. And then you have the other model, which is the signature, starting at $102,900 with an estimated delivery date of mid-2026. So if you've been living on a rock somewhere, Sony announced this car back in 2020 as a concept, but because of the warm reception that it got at CES, Sony decided to partner with Honda Mobility and make this car come to market, bringing a state-of-the-art, cutting-edge electric vehicle to market. Now, this is not a car channel, so I'm not going to go into great detail about the car, but I did just want to touch on one more thing real quick. In terms of the sensors of the car, there are about up to 40 sensors that are going to be expected on the vehicle. Now, this car is equipped with a number of cameras and sensors inside and outside, anticipated to be equipped with 18 cameras, 1 LiDAR, 9 radars, and 12 ultrasonics, again for up to 40 sensors. As this is near production, the final number is not available yet. Now, those sensors surround the car, look inside and out, just looking for nearby vehicles, pedestrians, and obstacles. And inside the car, it renders that display for you on your instrument panel. As you can see here, the instrument panel inside the car is very state-of-the-art. The screen pretty much rolls all the way across the dashboard here, with the right side of the screen can be one big screen, or you can actually separate that into two screens, and then you can actually slide apps across that screen. So very cutting edge here. So there you have it. The Sony Afeela One is coming to market finally. It's been 6 years, or will be 6 years by the time they deliver a car before it actually comes to market, but it is coming. So thank you once again for taking the time out to watch this video. Let me know what your thoughts are about this car down in the comment section. Thank you for taking time out to watch this video. If you enjoyed this, please do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and hit that like button as well. And until next video, guys, stay nerdy.